Fictional character narration.
Let's put this to a vote. I agree with Denali, Foraker said. I do as well, said Everest. If Sandia's gamble brings ruin, then he should bear the brunt of it. I will leave in 1 week's time, Rel said. There are many other smaller tribes that care for the overall mountain and would not let jealousy get in the way of their decisions. I agree, Denali said. You don't have the right to remove me from this council, Sandia barked.
Non-fictional narration.
A group of people was sitting and chilling out in the fields in Argentina. Suddenly they had a surprise which they are not going to forget their whole life. A plane appeared out of nowhere and was flying close to the ground just a few feet above the Earth's surface.